What's up, WinkLink holders? My friend, this is another video about the WinkLink price prediction. Keep watching this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe. ABS takes channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. It is time. First of all, I want to ask one question from everyone: that is WinkLink a good investment or not? Tell me in the comment box. Is good investment or not? Tell me. And if we talk about the pricings of the WinkLink, so you can see here that the price of the WinkLink is going wrong, positive 1.295%. The current situation is going on in this time in the WinkLink, my friends. My friends, at this time the price of Wink is going positive, so don't worry about that. That is the temporary pause. Let me show you, my friends, the price chart of the WinkLink. Oh my god, same like that, the price of WinkLink is completely going to the earth, my friends. Hope they will very soon take a quick jump. And my friends, let's see the another price, the next target update for Polygon Matic. You can see here they have no idea to take a quick jump, but this time tomorrow or the next day the price of the price is going positive for the next 1 days or 3 days, my friends. And tomorrow price, people ask me questions about the tomorrow price of the WinkLink, that tomorrow is the 11th date in 6 June 2021. The minimum price of the WinkLink is 0.000329 USD dollar, and the maximum price is 0.00057 USD dollar. That is the minimum maximum price of the WinkLink. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.